Andrew Ford Valentino Espiritu, born July 30th, 1967, known professionally as Andrew E., is a Filipino rapper and actor. He is best known in the Philippines for his 1990 debut hit single Humanap Panget. Andrew E. won a Rap Album of the Year award for his album Clubzilla at the 2010 PMPC Star Awards for Music. His single Shoot Shoot Part 2 was later used as an instrumental for the campaign jingle Hedo Na Inde Sara. Espiritu first worked as a DJ in a popular club, Euphoria, and was discovered by entrepreneur and musician Raymond R.J. Jacinto in 1990. He made his television debut on That's Entertainment, a variety show hosted by the late German Marino on GMA7. He eventually started his professional career in December 1990 when he released his debut single Humanap Panget. In mid-1997, Espiritu founded an independent rap label named Dongalo Records for the purpose of discovering and producing new rap talents. One of them being the rap group Salbakuda, with their debut single Stupid Love becoming a bestseller and spawning a theatrical feature film starring Espiritu. Espiritu spent some time in Japan in the late 1990s, performing in clubs and eventually releasing a CD single with rap songs in Japanese about the misadventures of a tourist in Tokyo. This got the attention of a Japanese producer, who offered to help promote him if he would apply for Japanese citizenship. In 2000, he was a consultant to Caloocan Mayor Ray Malonzo for entertainment and cultural affairs. On March 25, 2002, he released the album Pano Daw. He has collaborated with Sharon Cunita, Willie Revelaine, Joey De Leon, Regine Velasquez, Francis M., Ogie Alcacid, Jano Gibbs, Carlos Agassi, Death Threat, Salbakuda, DJs such as DJ Koki of Will Time Big Time, DJ Mod of Showtime, and DJ Bellal of New York, and actresses such as Maricel Soriano, Anna Rosas, Nanette Medved, Charlene Gonzalez, Vina Morales, Cheryl Cruz, Gelly de Belen, Alice Dixon, Amanda Page, Rufa Make Winto, Donita Rose, and Rika Paralejo. Allegations of plagiarism. In 2018, Espiritu became involved in a plagiarism controversy when Humanap Panget was accused of being an unauthorized translation of the song Find an Ugly Woman by DJ Cash Money and MC Marvelous. A thread in the Per Philippines subreddit called out the rapper for allegedly making a cover of Find an Ugly Woman without Cash Money Marvelous permission, just after the noontime variety show ASAP aired a tribute performance to Espiritu. Personal life. Espiritu married Mylene Espiritu in March 2000. The couple have 3 children.